New California state bill could cause major disruptions to the nation's trucking industry. California Assembly Bill 5 requires workers to satisfy a three-part test to be considered independent contractors. And some are worried the law may push truckers off the road as they work to comply. We're covering every angle of this story, from that law to a possible truck driver shortage. We begin with Alex Capriello live in Southern California for us, where work stoppage fears are certainly growing. Alex?
Yeah, good morning to you, Adrian. We're already hearing possible rumblings about a port operation stoppages happening here in Long Beach and Los Angeles and up north in Oakland. Simply put, many of these truck drivers are just angry about these new statewide regulations they'll be forced to meet.
America's weakened supply chain is once again under threat. More than 70,000 California truck drivers, currently classified as gig workers, will soon be required to satisfy new statewide labor laws or else be forced to stay off the road.
Our country depends on trucks. Our country depends on truckers. And if we're not going to shut the trucks down, we have to find the ways to keep the trucks rolling.
The new regulations are actually 3 years old.
Assembly Bill 5 has faced years of court challenges, but now officially takes effect.
Supporters of the bill, like Governor Gavin Newsom, see it as an opportunity to unionize and allow benefits to trickle down to workers.
It's time that the working class get a piece of the pie, and this is the way to do it in the trucking industry and the ports.
But the 70,000 plus drivers who like the flexibility of gig work will effectively be out of work if they don't step in line.
The hope is to try and get the attention of legislatures and let them know that there are 70,000 small businesses out here, a lot of them owned and operated by minorities and immigrants like myself, and that we hope to get the attention and continue to develop the American dream for ourselves.
And this trucking crisis really couldn't come at a worse time. Millions of Americans are buying products off Amazon left and right, as well as other product retailers. And don't forget, back to school and holiday shopping just right around the corner.
Thank you for watching. Go to NewsNationNow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.